what does it actually look like when you work with a financial planner? This varies a lot between financial planners and clients alike. At Next Gen Wealth, we start by ensuring we're a good fit for you and that you're a good fit for us. There's nothing worse than working with someone who doesn't understand you, right? We feel the same way. So, during our initial meetings, we'll get to know each other, gather documents, and understand how you think about your money and investments. We'll help you translate this into an investment policy statement to represent your needs and comfort level with investment risks. Things really get good when you become a client and go through the COLLAB Financial Planning Process, our official system that covers every aspect of your financial life. Please note, we call this a process, not a one-time thing. We're collaborating on achieving your goals throughout your retirement. In the communicate step, we're continuing to uncover what's most important in your life. Then we'll map out the details of where we need to focus first. The organize step is very important. We'll open new accounts, transfer accounts, and get all the paperwork together. It's not terribly fun, but we try to make sure you're not overburdened. Next, we'll have another meeting to listen, addressing the details about the how and who of getting things done for you. We're going to constantly learn more about each other and how to achieve your best retirement life. Life is full of changes. Luckily, we can adapt and adjust plans to meet your needs. Changing jobs right after we built your initial plan? Then we'll take another look at your financial situation and adjust as needed. Once we've gone through everything, we'll finalize your plan and build a roadmap for your future. We'll keep things simple for you to understand and implement. The entire process may be elaborate and comprehensive, but again, we promise to keep it simple and digestible, all in one easy-to-reference document. Clearly, we're not a one-and-done type of financial planning firm. Our goal is for you to do less worrying and more enjoying. At Next Gen Wealth, we understand that your retirement is more than a plan. To get your free retirement checkup, call 816-287-4780 or visit nextgenwealth.com today.